Building quality friendships as an adult can be challenging but incredibly rewarding. In this video, we'll explore the best and most successful ways to develop meaningful and lasting relationships. Whether you've moved to a new city, changed jobs, or just want to expand your social circle, these strategies will help you connect with like-minded people and build strong friendships. 1. Be open and approachable. First, it's crucial to be open and approachable. Smile, make eye contact, and show genuine interest in others. People are more likely to engage with you if you appear friendly and welcoming. Practice active listening and be attentive to what others are saying. 2. Join clubs or groups. One of the best ways to meet new people is by joining clubs or groups that align with your interests. Whether it's a sports team, a book club, a hiking group, or a cooking class, these environments provide a natural setting for socializing and finding people with similar passions. 3. Leverage social media and apps. Social media platforms and apps like Meetup can be great tools for finding events and groups in your area. These platforms can connect you with people who share your interests, making it easier to find potential friends. 4. Volunteer for a cause. Volunteering not only benefits the community but also helps you meet like-minded individuals who are passionate about the same causes. It's a fantastic way to bond over shared values and experiences, paving the way for strong friendships. 5. Attend networking events. Networking events, whether professional or social, are excellent opportunities to meet new people. These gatherings are designed to encourage interactions, making it easier to start conversations and connect with others. 6. Rekindle old friendships. Sometimes the best way to build new friendships is by rekindling old ones. Reach out to former classmates, colleagues, or friends you've lost touch with. Social media makes it easy to reconnect and catch up on each other's lives. 7. Be a good friend. To attract quality friends, be a quality friend yourself. Be reliable, supportive, and kind. Show empathy and understanding, and be there for others when they need you. Building trust and showing you care will naturally draw people towards you. 8. Host social gatherings. Take the initiative to host social gatherings. Invite people over for dinner, organize a game night, or plan a group outing. Creating opportunities for social interactions in a relaxed setting can help deepen connections and foster new friendships. 9. Be patient and persistent. Building quality friendships takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent. Don't get discouraged if you don't form deep connections right away. Keep putting yourself out there, and eventually, you'll find your tribe. 10. Embrace vulnerability. Finally, embrace vulnerability. Don't be afraid to share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences with others. Opening up can lead to deeper, more meaningful connections. Remember, everyone is looking for genuine connections, and being authentic is key. Conclusion. Building quality friendships as an adult is entirely possible with the right approach. By being open, joining groups, leveraging social media, volunteering, attending events, rekindling old friendships, being a good friend, hosting gatherings, being patient, and embracing vulnerability, you can form meaningful and lasting relationships. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on personal development and building a better life. Your support means a lot to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.